deceased is buried,
after the deceased is buried,
the people, they raise their hands individually. Is this correct to raise their hands and making the dua after the deceased is buried?
so when the person is buried, is it wrong to something that everybody takes this takes place only when there is a reminder, isn't it? And that particular reminder is, we call it as well, talqeen al-mayyit. If the two angels come to you and ask you, who's your Lord? Say Allah. And if they ask you, who is your prophet? Say Muhammad. And if they ask you, what's your book? Say Quran. It's like they're giving him the answers, cheating. Subhanallah alladhi la ilaha illa. All of this talqeen is bid'ah. And then after that, they start making dua, ilakhwani, dua. So this dua together, where is it here in the hadith? Prophet of Allah, he said, istaghfiru li akhikum. Seek forgiveness, each one in his own. And you can't find better istighfar than the Prophet of Allah's istighfar. Yet he did not say, repeat behind me, companions, say Ameen. Allahumma gfir lahu. Say Ameen. He didn't do that. He said, you seek forgiveness, each one with sincerity to ask. This is all of it acts, ya ikhwani. It's all of it acts. They raise up their hands, they don't even listen to what the Imam is saying. They just put their hands, it's something that they do it. Autopilot. You know what's autopilot? And if they don't do it, something strange happened today. It's a bid'ah being removed, but they think this is the bid'ah that not to do it. On the contrary. What is happening? Something wrong here. In our country, I don't know if in your country, Somalia, after the Salat al-Jinazah is finished, some of the masajid, after we finish Salat al-Janazah, we've recited the Faatihah and the first takbirah, and the second takbirah we recited as well, the Salat Ibrahimiyya, third and the fourth, and we make the dua for the deceased. After we finish, somebody will say, Al-Fatiha. Do you have that one? Yeah, you have. It's a Somalia like us, mashallah. We are in unity in bid'ah. United in bid'ah. He says, Fatiha. Pakistan? You know Pakistan? No? SubhanAllah. Yes, you have? Oh, very good. I'm
Pakistani, but I follow you.
No. But do you do in Pakistan Fatiha? Yes? Oh, Shakir says yes. So one bid'ah, look how much is spread now. All over. Fatiha. What did we do in the first takbir if saying Fatiha? What did we do? Fatiha, ikhwani. For opening celebration, Fatiha. For marriage, Fatiha. For divorce, Fatiha. For business transaction, Fatiha. Allah al-Musta'an. Fatiha. وسبحانك اللهم بحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. جزاك الله خيرا. بإذن الله.